जानकारी के लिए। और यहाँ पर सीधे प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस चल रही है गोदरेज की, उसमें चलते हैं। आदि गोदरेज क्या बोल रहे हैं, उन्हें सुनते हैं।
We expect continued strong growth in Godrej consumer products, both in our Indian business and our overseas business. We also announced acquisition of a Chilean company called Cosmética Nacional, which is a leader in the hair color business in Chile. Its business is in hair color as well as color cosmetics. This will be a very good acquisition for Godrej Consumer Products because it has a very strong strategic fit with our other South American businesses. It will also add considerably to our exports from Argentina and Chile to the rest of South America. We also announced a private placement to Temasek of a little less than 5% of the capital with an investment of about 685 crore rupees. We expect this to be concluded post the shareholder approval in about 2 months' time. These were the major announcements, and I would like to just add that we see very strong progress of the company going forward.
So just to begin with, if you can give us a sense of your outlook for the coming quarter. You've registered strong growth, strong volumes despite the price hikes in the past few quarters. Will we see that continue?
We expect to continue very strong growth, especially in our household insecticides business. It's growing very well. We expect our international businesses to grow very strongly. And now, of course, from April onwards, we'll be consolidating the Chilean acquisition also.
Okay. Since you mentioned the international acquisition, can you tell us now how big will be the contribution from the South American business after this acquisition gets completed?
Well, South America will still be a relatively small part of our portfolio, even with this third acquisition, because our major international business will be in Indonesia and in Africa. In Africa, mainly the latest acquisition, the Darling Group. And when we conclude the second phase and the third phase of the Darling acquisition, second phase will be in September 13, and the second phase will be in September 12, and the third phase will be in September 13. Then the African business will add even more to our total business.
But through this acquisition, you're not just now limited to Chile, Panama or Argentina. Are you looking at the rest of the countries also? What is the geography present?
We are already exporting to many other countries. Our earlier Argentinian acquisition has a major subsidiary in Uruguay. We are leaders in the hair color business. We were leaders in Argentina, Uruguay and Paraguay. Now we will also be leaders in Chile. And we have substantial business through exports in other countries in South America.
Will it be fair to assume that the money that you're raising from the preferential allotment to Temasek, almost most of it will be used for this acquisition, or will there be some left behind?
No, not at all. A part of it will be used for this acquisition. Most of the money we are raising from Temasek would go towards paying back our other debt and our other operational cash requirements. Our debt equity ratio as of December is around 1:1. Now with the Temasek infusion coming in, our debt equity ratio even after the Chilean acquisition will come down very considerably. We expect, it depends on the other requirements of cash, but it will come down to about 0.7:1.
Are there any synergies between the South American business now and what you have, the products that you have in India? I know you've spoken a lot about the Asian and Indian and even from Africa, but what about South America?
Yes, a lot of synergy. In fact, we are going to introduce some of our products from Argentina very soon in India, of course in the Godrej brand, the Godrej Expert brand, because Argentina is the world's leading producer. Godrej Argentina is the world's leading producer of creme colorants in sachets, which are
तो आप सुन रहे थे एडी गोदरेज को और आप देख सकते हैं जिस तरह से 3 बड़ी पॉजिटिव खबरें यहां पर निकल कर आई हैं। एक तो नतीजे काफी अच्छे आए हैं कंपनी के, इसके अलावा कंपनी ने टेमासेक को प्रेफरेंशियल अलॉटमेंट किया है 410 रुपए प्रति शेयर पर, और तीसरी जो उन्होंने एक्विजिशन किया है, इन 3 खबरों से बाजार ने आज इस शेयर को थम्स अप दिया है। 7% तक की बढ़त यहां पर देखने को मिली है। कार्यक्रम में आगे आपको बताएंगे शेयर में क्या करना चाहिए। अभी वक्त हो गया एक छोटे से ब्रेक का। ब्रेक के बाद sptulsian.com के SP तुलसियान जी हमारे साथ जुड़ेंगे और उनसे कई महत्वपूर्ण मुद्दों पर चर्चा होगी एक ब्रेक के बाद।